Hey everybody. So these next couple slides are going to talk about summation and facilitation. So these are two really important terms we need to know when we're talking about neural integration, right? If you have any questions on neural integration, just take a look at the last video we talked about. So summation can make some sense. So we're summing things up, we're adding things up. So summation is literally the process of adding up all the incoming information and responding to that net effect. So in other words, when you're looking at a neuron, as you can see from this picture, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different axons connecting to this one neuron. So what that means is each of these axons are going to send information to that neuron. We're going to add up all that information, and if it's enough to send an additional signal, we'll do it. So if one axon sends a signal and it's enough to tell this neuron to send another signal, that's good enough. But if maybe 4 or 5 of them send a little bit of a stimulus, maybe then we will have that signal happen. So in other words, we're just going to add up all of the different information added in from the different axons to see if we can trigger the neuron to send another axon potential, another action potential. Since each synapse makes it easier for others to cause the firing, let's take a second to think about that. That's another way of saying if there's more axons connecting to that neuron, it's going to make it a little bit easier for a stimulus to occur. So, in other words, if I only had one axon, I need to have a pretty strong signal to make this neuron send another action potential. But if I have 8, that's a lot easier. I get a little bit of information from all 8 of these. Good to go. In fact, there may be even more than 8 here as I look at it. So the point is, the more axons you have connecting here, the easier it is for summation to occur and for you to send another signal. That said, that is called facilitation because all these axons are going to work together to facilitate another action potential. So this is really important for things like storing and processing information in the brain because the more axons you have, the easier it is to do these neural integrations. And because of that, then you're able to store and process information better. So this is going to have a lot to do with neuroplasticity, the ability for your body to store information, critically think, and process the information in the brain. So if you have any questions on summation and facilitation, please let me know.